Those are the crucial items here.
Which thing and which thing?
If you can take those two things out of this, this is what 8.4 wants. I would also like it if you knew that there was an up-down thingy for the A, right? That if A is positive, it goes up on the end, and if it's negative, it goes down. But that's about what I want you to take out of this. So can we calculate this? Where's the vertex? How about this? What are A, B, and C?
5, 5.
Okay, A is 5, B is -4, C is 37. You guys should hopefully be good at this from your practice with the quadratic formula, right? Here I'm not doing the quadratic formula though. This is easier. So vertex is at x equals what? -4 divided by 2 times 5 equals 2 over 5. Okay? What's the point at the vertex? Right, that should be an ordered pair, right? Keep in mind this is ordered pair, not interval from earlier. Okay, what's the point at the vertex? What's the x value for the point at the vertex? 2/5. Okay, see that? Right? The vertex is at x equals 2/5, so x had better be 2/5 for the point of the vertex. Now, where's the y? Yeah, this should be on the graph, right? This should be an x comma function of x pair. So I should take 2/5 and plug it into my function. Right? So this should be g of 2/5, which is something that we could calculate, but a little bit messy, right? Yeah, here's my rule G. I'd shove 2/5 in there. That would get messy and occupy the time I want to use for a quiz. I would like you to actually do it out, but I'm not going to right now. You guys can calculate that, I hope. Cool?
Wait, what do you do to find the y?
Take 2/5, jam it in the function. Right, it should be on the graph, so it should be a x comma g of x pair. So this is a number, g of 2/5. I just take 2/5, I plug it in here, and I calculate.
That's when we set it to 0. And then
We're not setting anything equal to 0. We're just evaluating a function. Cool? All right. I was supposed to ID it. Is that a max or a min? Okay, so A is bigger than 0, right? Because it's 5. That means it points up. So it looks like this, which means the bottom of it is a minimum.
I'm sorry. How do you know that already? Because it's positive?
A is positive,
Okay.
right? Which means it looks like this. Which means that this is the bottom. If A was negative, it would look like this, and then it would be a top.
Okay.
But I know it's not that because it looks like this.
So we really don't want to plug in two.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to plug this into the
Yeah, 'cause
quadratic
that's
formula.
crazy.
This is a lot easier.
Okay.
Okay? This is a very cool thing. This makes my life way easy. There are a bunch of word problems about finding maximums and minimums. You just find the vertex. Done. Easy peasy. Sometimes you have to plug it back in if the value is what you want. Right? So if they ask for what's the maximum profit, then what they're looking for is an output of the function, right? We'll try some of those. Try some of those on your own, and when you get confused, we'll talk about them Friday. Okay? Let's see. I need to give you guys a quiz, so let's get a quiz. Your homework for 8.4 and 8.5 is already posted. I haven't talked about 8.5 yet. I may, if I have a chance, make a little video for you to get you started. Okay. Quiz. Suppose find an equation.